Hi, there have been many requests for a vegetarian korma, and that's what I'll be making in this video. So let's get started. First we'll make the masala paste, for which I've got ginger, garlic, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black and green cardamoms, some green chilies. So we'll blend all these things together. You can add a little bit of water, that'll make the blending easier, and we'll blend this into a smooth paste. So here I've got the blended paste here, nice smooth paste. So we're going to fry this paste in a little bit of oil. Okay, we just saute this for a couple of minutes. You can see the oil seeping out. I'll add in the tomato puree, some yogurt, salt. Saute this another few minutes. Oil is seeping out, so which means everything is fried well. So for vegetables, my vegetables are parboiled here. I'm going to add one by one. Cauliflower, French beans, carrots, bell pepper. This is not parboiled. We like it to be crunchy. It cooks very fast. Green peas. If your vegetables are not boiled earlier, you would add some water here and cook them before adding the last ingredient, which is milk. Potatoes. Now I'm going to add some milk. Usually cream is used, heavy cream is used. I prefer to use milk and keep it light. Give it a couple of boils. Korma is ready. Let's plate it. Coriander leaves. How vibrant and colorful and nutritious it looks. Now that you have the recipe, don't forget to try it and leave a comment below. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon. This is Chef Sarab. See you again.